Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Ni Jumatano iri tuko ria 22 mutinyo gatano na kabiri mwaka 2025 mo egatone yichinsa 10 kuri tuseni kya ukyabene y'Ensoko TV chinga kichini kwariganya ni oramangana maya konde senje yo kunyachutia hayande takwateka kura chinsa mo chagusi na boye game muchi o Nairobi yetegana nkuru kwa Daniel omwaga hayarabutio ngati yari nkwariganya tyo morogoba abonoiga ama ya chisa ekomi gotogo chakaninga na yogo ichani mwanchumwere ya seba borro amono mo ichano nigo bwatanse himeye kinyoro yetangi torondi ewori yeri goma nsemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masaba imeye county ya Nyamira mayega yo musubati bwe myaka ya gatwa go sirogi mabwaye mayega yo kagerwa go sierwa ebibiriri abamenyi ibenseme yo nigo bono bayane kiribuna ibikorwa byo gosore ibiriri nigo byamentakande asenseme yo asebono baganirie ebarasa ekorwe na kurangeribwa yo komanya umuntu go siara eritugo na mwanya bantu kusama n'abantu ebiriri asensemeyo
mbiyamo nasengecho yekenyoleke igage ko rukwetangi asamaria tali kanga nyengo kuri cyari marari iga seri tukolia laro na utwabo kabuya twanda kigasi cheito ono lende je ikasambire saa 3 ga wewe bikuro rwase kenyoleke yeito yetangi ere tuiko ase bikuro byali kurwa twanyora omusubati bwe myaka yegatwa romo menye asiki nyomba sio komenya sekenyoro kegeto sio mugago nyagosira mukwa wonyando muga musubati yo twanyora ngoja gokorerwa ari first aid na baminto batangana ase nyenje yo komokonya gose mbagutoli obugima bwaye ono lende mbaigeti komokonya lakini rende okorakana kere bare kunya kumulika ligeri nande indo bare komokorera okoranga mbanyora ngana ciare bibiriri okorana bibia muitase bwango mono na efenye njo muswazi na bwatere ne tibuli tomboro abwato bokeigo igobono na intu no twichane kera mangana ya ikirase kinyo gitonga omo itonaro kare guciare bibiriri igobono igentu gitu musubati oyo ne bibiriri sinyeje kera nguru mbiarorekana bono tarachi amange nare gusaba serikali etokonya kinyure kigeto kietangi tondori togane irie barasa so bwango mono ibarasa erangeriwe abantu bonse bitomeda ase kinyure ketoche bamenyi nona benyechi bakenyureke twensi bitocha ase barase yo ndatari kogosa elindo nyo bobo buboro ase kinyureke gita soyo moito injereli gigwe akogweni goyora toke na bibwate nande ntutagetige ndege gichikwirorera ase kinyuro gite ase ngenju ya tore kero mondo kamono nande ne kageire kurumaega nga mangana naro gutatigata anya gwikira aserera ikira abana bararuteirwe none chombe chara ruteru chakuri lakini bone kikerekyo twari kuimukirego muri kinyoro turangerwe barasa elinde tokonyane
Kamutu bono mwancho mwere ni gaba gusiba boligwe ko bamo na gwanchirana egetari kine gionsi kyoborai keria homokonyi bo murebwe kyamagia Jubilee Fred Matiang'i arache kwegwa siasa cyo mwaka 2025 nebere ukuno kubolia kwarurwe hase yo kurigia ekirogo kyo seneta himeye county ya Nairobi Wilfred Bosire okwana korwaso mu Nairobi Bosire nigatebire buna okubwatirana okuna kukora chikogera omugusi kwegwa libagaligia asoborai bore bosio aseboigo hakwana irobu mugusi igocha na kobamo
Matiang'i natabe president kale tuoniga Matiang'i nabake president 2032 2037 but chisabu chena chiragere anyore chance yiyo umaya to bugambi bako be patient kibaki nate ne to bugambi several aja ko mugambi grando takagete nabo mugambi wari I'm telling you nabera nyarika na chance abantu baze ngote banga Kalonzo Musyoka ne watermelon I chance nabera nyoro bero bugambi asinga nja koreki obere consistent over mvumilivu onyore chikora to aka last time in 2022 Kalonzo Musyoka tabata position in yonse onye monyorete akora to interview mata kalwa kaywa or deputy president Kalonzo akakora because is a leader of a better patient you never know mambi na bana nyoro bere president so Matiang'i wesa wanda wakane na ndo bagusi to kore ngenteke Matiang'i asako soa na so mune prime cabinet secretary abagusi to tenene nere toro kina ki ntunto mwege nete muno mwana itokorgusi taba sote banga ntako president ngando como support asako soa bojeta soa se asa serikali error asako soa to tenene muno mugusi to tenene asamo muno mugusi nali to nyora abasani man patebenga oyeka to akora sabu igato nyanga ta ko nyara boniga agatena na intwe tiatoro yokoboko ne viongozi beto to very honest ndo mnyokera chibesa ndomyo kile chibese toro si nyomba yaito yako ekere community ojo kokwa mbako be keruli goso kera ngwati nete at one time ngwari ngo mugamya sana kwa tari bawle ko mugamya ndi wakora the community you selfishly gained you as a person ukatigira abantu bande bakangaika na ngo tayabali abagambi bali bale turusi mbanja chibese mono mbali giringa chibese mbate banganinga kiyabo yokolia asaba gusimwa beta usiye Nairobi gaiga usidengo liare chukuna choko senator and I am deliberately I want to be a senator for Nairobi in 2027 but 2032 I'll be your governor of Nairobi so those are the things that I'm working towards na ende nyenda go soa taringa cross chibesa go soa karakene that will transform lives because on my small capacities osauta paraga igamata tugana boko wabo sirengia kolera abantu and I'm very deliberate. I'm willing to work for the people, not for money.
Na bono togos kamutu mwancho mwegeri ngabone wizara yechinsana amona bire bitwetana ine kubwatirana no murobiri olya bwa serikali bwo kwenekinga ngusimekere mete chimilio chibilioni 15 weko mwaka bwe chibebere 32 yanekire guchia gusimeke mete ya matunda egatimo barabwe meterie eguchia gusimekwa bunenchira yemo yo gusira abakenya asendagera na konyolia mabaga yemeremo okwana asege karo nababwatani ebe bitwetana ine aigahime yo mu Nairobi muri kibotambe ase wizare yo gitonga mugambi oyane kiribuna wizare yo nigo erengete gosimeke mete ye chikoko chiabakato nabo igemete ye chipalm oil ye gokonya abakenya kwenyorera engeria asobone matunda ayo bunenchera eyemo yo gotanga obusaria bwa manani.
And this is where we are calling the communities, the local leadership of these communities get supported by KFS, Carefree government, join us and restore forest in their local areas. Before, we had an approach where restoration was entirely the work of KFS. KFS cannot be everywhere. KFS is a representative of the government, but bringing in communities in a strong way, we have seen it work. And this model is also providing livelihood to the communities along the forest. Because one thing is, why do we destroy the forest? People are looking for livelihood. People want to survive. People want to eat. Forest sector is taking it forward, encouraging commercial forestry within the farms, and also growing of fruit trees. Within the 15 billion trees is growing of fruit trees. It's food to our communities, and also is income to our communities. We have specifically been able to identify a few value chains that we want to promote. One of them being cocoa, and we are introducing cocoa for the first time in this country. We have already launched it, and we have a target to do 1 billion cocoa trees in this country. We are expanding the area of avocado growing in this country. We're also targeting to do 1 billion extra more avocado grown in this country. Palm oil is another tree. Today, all the cooking oil that is used in this country, we are getting it from outside the country. Yet we have big potential to grow enough. So, as we sit here, even if there's nothing else, please get us seedlings for avocados. Get us seedlings for cocoa. Get us seedlings for palm oil. We have been told there is a Rodino coming. We are preparing.
Na tugusika mutu mwancho mwiriria wona nigo mwaskofu mwanene w'ekanisa eria kiangirikana aigaima yense ya Kenya Jackson Olusapit anyaganirie serikali koirire gitambo kirege tindi ababegu bege siasa arika aliyo konyagukwana chinkwana kitabwatie bikore elio okora muchanda w'ababegu bege siasa uyogenderete kunaria na kwene kibwa chinsemo au chinse ya Kenya okwana kora kanisa ya All Saints St Nicholas All Saints hiyo ya saganetwe na ababegu bege siasa motinyo eta Olusapit nigabona aganirie serikali kari koire gitambo kirori morioka iri gukora imicando yu ubwo babegu bege siasa.
Around the attack by the group.
This will still be the demands Kenyans are making, that this culture must be brought to an end, but action and justice must be demonstrated by those who are supposed to take care of us, those who are supposed to maintain law and order. And the question I asked then, who is now in charge of law and order in Kenya? Is it the goons or the police? Even after the attack of the cathedral, we have seen, it has not diminished, it has heightened. It has been like hyped. It's going to another level. We can now see in broad daylight people in Prados and Subarus and X-Trails move around and
Kamutuba ono mwancho mwire ni gomone bweri chiko aigaime yense ya Kenya musubati Dolcas Odwori achakire bene committee ya multisectorial eyo herache kumurekera obokoreri ebwe bigambiro imeyense ya Kenya committee eyo ekobwaterania ababwatani ao kro ase sector yeri chiko nigo herache kugereria nabo igo kuganie gose na kwene kyanga ebina birya byabere asegeta igambiro chinga kichintambe ase baigo herache kobwati ari chiko eliyo kugereria ebine ebyo na kwene kinga bya
We are today launching the multi-sectoral committee. It is against this backdrop that I'm proudly officially launching this multi-sectoral committee on legislative reform and alignment. This committee is not just another administrative task force. It is envisioned as a seminal interinstitutional engine room designed to modernize Kenya's legal architecture, protect constitutionalism, and ensure our laws serve the contemporary public interest. To ensure this process is legally sound and broadly representative, we have brought together the finest minds from across our legal and governance landscape. I charge this committee to undertake a comprehensive, meticulous review focused on 4 core pillars. Reviewing judicial jurisprudence, systematically evaluating all statutory provisions and subsidiary legislation that have been declared unconstitutional, invalid, or inconsistent by courts of competent jurisdiction. Second, purging the statute book, identifying and recommending the repeal of obsolete, redundant, or spent laws that no longer serve any practical, legal, or administrative purpose. Bridging legislative gaps, addressing the structural and policy gaps that have emerged over time due to constitutional, judicial, and institutional developments. Harmonizing the framework, formulating concrete legislative policy and administrative interventions, including proposals for repeal, amendment, consolidation, or fresh enactment to align our laws with contemporary governance standards. Given its profound statutory mandate, the Kenya Law Reform Commission will serve as the chair of the committee, and the chair is here, Ms. Agimba, to ensure seamless operational efficiency. The secretariats will be drawn jointly from the Office of the Attorney General and the Kenya Law Reform Commission.
Cha mincho ire chideka 14 igoro yega tone gichinsa ikomichi abono margoba no muganoye Dolcas Oduor no rogotekiro mweri wo mangana mayakro geteseni kiao kia bene Soko TV kono tomo soska kiagara kermotu dunia nga umwana mboka go chara ya masa mono mero ebongo ya mariko mongo ya mariko kege tone agency ya moya margoba kada kurwa buru chonyara mangana mayesenche obekanu nere Clinton Ondigi korende nabotambe sarome kiribone twabwatira nere ya masa ya mogo etera sense media ya imanyenero na mega ya menyoncho twabwate Tol D amona Felicitas Kabendi hebonsi bane kinga chibi chamo na Mariogi awikere sencherere yabo tweru chingaki matukategere tanoka ekiminano bya wafco ne basubati bichake bene hime ya Morocco ga Rabat ne timu yense ya Kenya Harambee Starlets bakire kurense ya France ya masa ya monendege boika senseria ya Morocco esemina ebyo nabona niko bene kiringa boika bachikwenekia amachibu aramanuke kokora abo mangana mayo Morocco bona iga ngonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga